let's quickly do this past paper question. So you have A, B, C, D, and it is a level field. So A, B, C, D, this is a level field. F and E are points on AD such that BF and C are perpendicular to AD. So BF, they've already drawn it. CE is perpendicular to AD and BF is also perpendicular to AD. They've given you the lengths of BF, CE, AF, FE and ED, and they're asking you to calculate the area of the field. Now if you look at this figure as a whole, it's nothing. It's not a trapezium because there are no two parallel sides. It's not a triangle. It's not a square. It's not a rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. It does not fit into the category of any of the shapes that we have discussed. So to make things a little bit easier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into three parts. So this, as you can see, this over here is a triangle. Now this over here can be considered as a trapezium. So this is 2, and this over here can be considered as an other triangle. Let's say this is 3. Now the area of this whole field, what will it equal to? If I can calculate the area of 1, add it to the area of 2, which is a trapezium, and then add the area of my second triangle, I can get the area of my field. So area of 1 कैसे निकलेगा आपका? Area of 1 में आपके पास, it's a right angle triangle. Let's draw it over here. It's a right angle triangle with this side as 34 and this side as 40. Now if I take 34 as my base, 40 is already perpendicular to this point over here. So half into 34 into 40. Now area 2 कैसे निकलेगा आपका? Area 2 is a trapezium, right? So the formula for trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides. What are the two parallel sides? It's 58 and 40. So half into 58 plus 40 multiplied by the height. The height of the trapezium is 38, which is the perpendicular distance between the 2 points. So you will do multiplied by 38 plus half multiplied by this third triangle over here. So the base is 42 and the height is 58. So 42 into 58. When you calculate this, you get 680. When you calculate this, you get 1862. And when you calculate this, you get 1218. When you add all of them, you get 3760 meter square as your answer. Now what did we do to make this question easy? So it was looking like a very complex question, but what did we do? We broke the figure into small similar shapes that we know how to work with. So always remember, if you ever come across a very complex shape in mensuration questions, the best possible approach is to break them into figures and shapes that you are familiar with and that you are comfortable working with. This is it for this video.